What up, you guys? Real quick update on the Dyna FXDX for those who care to know. I dropped it off at Kruesi Originals like a week, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, because the front end was just completely thrashed and my rotors were completely destroyed. Ryan hit me up today. The rotors and all that squared away, but the front end has been kind of a nightmare disaster. The problem is a lot of that, the parts are no longer available, and he was explaining it all to me. I don't know, I'm not real familiar with all the internals on those forks, but long story short, it's going to be a little while before we can get all the parts together to have the front end rebuilt proper. And Ryan was telling me, you know, it's better to get it done the right way now as opposed to just doing like a slap job, you know, put a band-aid on it type thing, which I agree. So huge shout out to Kruesi Originals. By the way, if you haven't already, check out their YouTube channel. He's doing an M8 Softail build. So far it has been the raddest looking Softail build I've seen, and they're just doing a lot with it. Regular content, and the channel is doing great. The videos are doing well. It's something that I think has been missing in the YouTube motorcycle world, is a channel that's actually doing the builds on these newer Harleys. But additionally, they just do kind of all things Harleys as far as the shop goes. And he actually knows his stuff. He's been in the industry a long time, and he's got some really cool companies backing him now with his channel. Saddleman has hit him up. Stealth Pipes sent him out a set of exhausts for the new motorcycle. So really great stuff there. A lot of people on my channel ask me to do more builds, and I just don't have the time, nor do I have the knowledge and know-how. And so you're not going to get that here, but you will get your fix over at Kruesi Originals. So link below, definitely go check them out. Anyway, Ryan told me to put the word out. We're looking for a 39mm right side dual disc fork leg for an early model Dyna, 2000, 2002, or in that range. So if you have one or know how to get a hold of one or any of that, hit me up. It would be much, much appreciated. Obviously, we're going to pay you for it. We'll take care of all that stuff. So yeah, 39mm right side dual disc fork blade for a Dyna, early model, any color, we don't care. Ryan's got the resources to get powder coated and all that good stuff, and hopefully we'll be able to get that Dyna here back. But I told Ryan, like, take your time. I know he's got a full-time role. He's running a shop, he's been doing the YouTube, and he's got a family as well. So like, zero pressure. I can live without the Dyna, even if it ends up being a couple months. And who knows, maybe we'll go buy a different one or something. But you know, thanks again to Ryan, Kruesi Originals, the whole shop over there, Dave, Trent, you know, the whole crew. I know the bike's in good hands, so it'll just be a matter of getting it back here and getting the right parts for it. Yeah, this is just a quick update, real brief update. I'm gonna leave it at that for now. I'll drop another video here in like an hour or two. I'm hoping to get the video out today, the Triumph Thunderbird. I sold the bike, so I'm hoping to get that video going over what I paid, how much I sold it for, and what our new budget is. And then today I just got back from looking at a motorcycle. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff, lots of good stuff. Anyway, I got another bike right here behind us that I purchased the other night. Not part of the YouTube Moto Flip project, but this thing is freaking gnarly. And so I'll be dropping a video on that here soon. Lots of fun stuff. I've been having fun, working a lot too, but it's been good. So we'll leave it at that. Like and subscribe if you dig it. Hit me up if you have a 39mm right side dual disc fork leg, any color, I don't care. johnsmotogarage@gmail.com, or hit me up on Instagram at johnsmotogarage. And yeah, appreciate you guys. We'll catch you next time. Adios. Los vemos.